Hi, Mary Beth at the Bruce Company here. Just finished that bottle of water, but I'm not going to throw it in the trash. I'm going to throw it in the recycling bin. Why? Well, all this plastic that you could have thrown in the landfill can actually be recycled and turned into wonderful lumber furniture. That stuff goes to the recycling center, gets bundled up and sent to factories. Factories like Polywood, for example, who take all that plastic that we've thrown away in the recycling and they shred it up into these little half-inch chunks, all sorts of different colors and stuff. That then goes into a sorter where they pull out all the little pieces of plastic that are not usable, any paper products, things like that. From there, it goes into the pelletizer. The pelletizer takes all that and makes these little non-colored little pieces of plastic. From this, we're getting a little bit closer to the furniture extrusion. This gets mixed with a colorant. It gets all melted together and then chopped into little bits that eventually becomes the color lumber that we're looking for. In this case, we've got this beautiful Pacific blue. From this, it gets melted down and it goes through the extruder, which is very much like if you ever had a Play-Doh fuzzy pumper barbershop. You push that through, it makes all the lumber, it cools, and then the lumber can be used to be turned into beautiful pieces of furniture like this. So you can feel good about recycling. You know where your recycling is going is being something much more usable. It's environmentally friendly. We also can appreciate that it has a lot of longevity. This stuff can withstand a lot of our Wisconsin weather. So I invite you to come on into the Bruce Company, chat with one of our folks here in the furniture department, and we can show you what pieces we have that are made with recycled plastic. Come and see me at the Bruce Company.